So, anyway, this next tip comes from the Society for the Preservation of Hands and Knees. These little ferrules right here, if these fall out and roll onto the ground, run the risk of getting stepped on and mangled. They run the risk of getting lost forever, and boy, are they hard to replace. So I'm just taking a string, a couple different ways to do this. But I don't want these tuners coming out of this peg head for this procedure. I'm just going to take this string, run it through these string holes, and then these ferrules aren't going anywhere. So you can snip that off or tie that back or however you want to make sure that you're not going to end up scratching yourself or the guitar with it. Anyway, thanks for watching.